What's up, milkshake lovers? And today it's about pouring right now. And I don't know why it's supposed to be summer. We actually have all of our summer decorations up. And look, we even have little things on our windows. And a ball. It's on the street. A ball is on the street. Okay, stay right here. I'm gonna go get it. So I just got it. And I'm like super wet right now. You can see on my pants. You can really take a shower out there. Sure. And look at our summer decoration. It says, helping it cool. Now I feel like taking a shower. Might lose internet connection.
Did you just go outside?
Yeah, to get the ball from Friday school. It was out in the rain.
Come on, TJ. Come on, buddy.
Oh my God. Okay, let me show you. Look at that. I'm not out there. Well. Okay. Look at that. You saw the lightning. Oh my gosh. It's like you could take a bath out there if you wanted to. If you had nothing metal on you.
You have to go food shopping, but I'm going to wait till it cools down.
Then you might be wanting to plan for that tomorrow. Okay, so I'm gonna get off of capture for a little and check the weather. So we'll see you guys then. So my weather doesn't have the right thing, and so I think it's gonna rain all day. But I just wanted to show you how much it was raining outside, and our TV went off, and it's glitching now.
So, stuff you make, yeah.
Yeah, and well, okay.
Once I get the other TV, once I get the other cable, this will not do this when they're restored.
Okay.
That's why I get the other TV.
So see you guys tomorrow. Bye.